Hey ASUS fans, today I've got all the juicy details about the upcoming ASUS ROG Phone 9 series. Get ready, because ASUS is launching the ROG Phone 9 and ROG Phone 9 Pro on November 19th. Let's dive right into what makes these phones a gamer's dream. First up, the design. The ROG Phone 9 maintains a similar look to its predecessor, the ROG Phone 8, but with some neat tweaks. The iconic ROG symbol isn't RGB lit this time. Instead, there's a new ROG text logo that lights up. The sides are more rounded too. You can grab it in Storm White or Phantom Black, weighing in at 227 grams and measuring 163.8 by 76.8 by 8.9 mm, similar to the previous model. Inside the box, you'll find a clear case, a USB-C to USB-C cable, an ejector pin, a 65W USB power adapter, and the usual documentation. Not sure if it'll support the Aeroactive Cooler X yet, but fingers crossed. Now let's talk specs. The regular ROG Phone 9 packs 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Running on Android 15 with ROG UI, you get the awesome Game Genie features like air triggers, macro, bypass charging, and more. Under the hood, it's powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, clocking in at 4.1 GHz, with an Adreno 830 GPU. The display is a 6.78-inch Samsung Flexible LTPO AMOLED screen, with FHD plus resolution, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and can upscale to 165 Hz in system settings or 185 Hz in Game Genie mode. It's bright too, with a peak brightness of 2500 nits, HDR10 support, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. For selfies, you've got a 32MP front camera. On the back, there's a 50MP Sony Lydia 700 main camera with a 1/1.56 sensor size f1, 9 aperture, and gimbal OIS, plus a 13MP ultra-wide and a 5MP macro camera. You can shoot videos in up to 8K at 30 fps or go slow-mo with 720p at 480 fps. The battery is a beast, with a 5800 mAh cell and 65W Quick Charge 5.0 support. You'll be gaming for hours without worry. Speaking of gaming, the AI gaming features are next level. X-Sense, X-Capture, AI Grabber for text extraction, AI Camera, AI Object Sense, and more. There's even a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer and AI call translator. Other cool stuff includes dual stereo speakers, a 3.5mm jack with high-res audio, tri-microphones with ASUS noise reduction tech, Wi-Fi 7 up to 6 GHz, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, Navi-C GPS, and 5G support. So, ASUS fans, that's your sneak peek into the ROG Phone 9. Mark your calendars for November 19th and get ready to level up your gaming experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome updates. Thanks for watching.